Button definition. The definitions of buttons on KAFA Beta 2 DSP Pro handheld box are as follows. A single button. Run. It is used to start machining. Pause. It is used to pause machining. Stop. It is used to stop machining. Up is an arrow button. Down is an arrow button. Left is an arrow button. Right is an arrow button. Spindle. It is used to enable or disable the spindle. Menu. It is used to enter the menu interface or enter the interface for updating the system image at the time of starting KAFA Beta 2 DSP Pro. Escape. It is used to exit the current interface or dialog box, or return to the previous interface. XY equals 0 is used to clear the workpiece coordinates of x-axis and y-axis at the same time. Z equals 0, general KAFA Beta 2 DSP Pro with 4 axes is used to clear the workpiece coordinate of z-axis or a-axis. Shift/mode is an auxiliary key or used to switch between jog and step mode in the main interface. F/% is used to increase the feed rate override. F/% is used to decrease the feed rate override. X-. It is used to move x-axis in the negative direction or input the figure 4. X+. It is used to move x-axis in the positive direction or input the figure 6. Y-. It is used to move y-axis in the positive direction or input the figure 8. Y+. It is used to move y-axis in the negative direction or input the figure 2. Z-. General KAFA Beta 2 DSP Pro with 4 axes. It is used to move z-axis in the negative direction or input the figure 3. Z+. General KAFA Beta 2 DSP Pro with 4 axes. It is used to move z-axis in the positive direction or input the figure 9. High/slow is used to switch between high-speed jog mode and slow jog mode or input the figure 5.